Hi travelers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. You've only got 24 hours here. Don't worry, I've got the perfect itinerary for art, architecture, and a dash of Tuscan magic. Let's go! Start your day the Italian way, with a strong espresso and a flaky cornetto. Then head straight to the Duomo, Florence's iconic cathedral. Climb all 463 steps to the top. Your legs will hate you, but your eyes will love you. The view? Absolute masterpiece. Next stop, the Uffizi Gallery. It's basically the world's most beautiful art museum. You'll walk past Botticelli's Birth of Venus, Leonardo da Vinci sketches, and Michelangelo's genius, all in one place. Talk about a creative crowd. Then, stroll across the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's legendary bridge. Fun twist: it used to be full of butchers until the Medici family said, "We prefer gold." Now it's all jewelry shops and charm. And as the sun sets, make your way to Piazzale Michelangelo. The view of Florence glowing under the sunset is pure magic. Trust me, it's the best way to end your 24 hours here. Fun fact: Michelangelo sculpted David from a single piece of marble that other artists thought was unusable. Talk about turning a flop into fame. NIF, you loved this whirlwind tour. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me, where should we go next? Arrivederci, Florence. Thank you for watching.